If you're experiencing controller drift while playing The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check controller settings. Navigate to the settings menu of your gaming console or PC. Ensure that the controller is properly configured and that any sensitivity settings are adjusted to your preference. Step 2. Clean the controller. Inspect the analog sticks for any dust or debris. Use a soft cloth or compressed air to clean around the sticks, as that can cause drift issues. Step 3. Update firmware. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your controller. Keeping your controller's software up to date can resolve compatibility issues and improve performance. Step 4. Test on another game. Try using your controller with a different game to see if the drift persists. This will help determine if the issue is specific to The Sims 4 or if it affects all games. Step 5. Reset the controller. If the drift continues, consider resetting your controller to factory settings. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for the specific reset process, as it can vary by model. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift in The Sims 4. If the problem persists, you may need to consider seeking professional repair or replacement options.